Good morning. If you've been following the meme sphere, Twitterverse, or Instagram, you've no doubt been seeing these making a comeback. These are Apple's Airpods. They launched a little bit ago and they were initially ridiculed for how expensive they were and for how limited their feature set seemed. But now it seems like they're making a comeback. They're one of Apple's most popular and successful accessories right now, and it seems like they're more popular than ever. There's a rumored second generation model coming out pretty soon, but until that time, here we go. AirPods number one. Let's unbox them and dig into them a little bit further. So the box, it's pretty standard Apple fare. It doesn't have the new easy open, so I've still got to try to make a cut here. And this is always the part that takes the hardest. Just pull, and there we go. I got traction on the plastic wrap. They do a very great job with the plastic, keeping it nice and secure. The box has one of these pressure builds where you pull on the top and it's got a nice weight to it, and the bottom kind of falls out there. Take it off. We have the Apple, designed by Apple in California. Inside we have instruction manuals for connecting the AirPods and working, and then we have safety and warning information there. Put those aside and we'll actually focus on the actual AirPods themselves. There's a plastic tab that pulls them out of the box. The bottom of the box there is a included USB type A to lightning cable, because of course the pod that they come in is charged with that cable. Let's open the actual pod themselves. This is the pod that the AirPods rest in when they're not in use. It's chargeable, and it also charges the individual headphones themselves. And as you can see here, it's got a little metal strip at the back. It says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. It has a little button back here to open it. The lightning port for charging is at the bottom, and to open them, they've got a really nice feeling to open. They magnetically close at the bottom, and then they have a nice weight to them when they're held open. The AirPods have magnets that pull them into the box, so that's nice. And then the actual AirPods themselves look like the Apple EarPods, which are the Apple earbuds that have wires in them. They come down and taper to microphone points, and they rest and follow the ears. So I guess if you can fit well with the Apple EarPods, the AirPods will be a good fit for you too. So anyway, that's a really quick unboxing, because I can struggle to put these back in the actual cases here. But anyway, that is a quick unboxing of Apple's brand new AirPods. Thank you so much for tuning in, and you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.